Global production used to be a secret club for the elite. But the bridge is finally open. Stop buying from markup masters. We go straight to the source to secure your margins. Meet the Gummy Grid 2.0, a high-yield asset-producing supplement-grade revenue 24/7. We don't pray for quality, we audit for it. Every machine in our fleet is independently verified. The rotary pill press, built for the entrepreneurs who want to scale their supplement empire to the moon. Industrial assets aren't just in the factory. We source the high-precision tech that defines the future of travel. Automated vending, passive income. Your machines work harder than your bank account ever could. Don't guess. Master the rules. Download the free 50-page industrial blueprint and build your empire. His isn't just about money. It's about an industrial legacy that outlasts you. The machines are ready. The audits are live. I'll see you in the audit.